Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a border in Google Docs. Now first I need you to go and highlight the whole document. Don't just select a part of the document, just place your cursor here and then try to do this. It'll just add a border to that specific section. Do this for the whole document. So I have a shortcut, Control A. It basically highlights the whole document as you can see right here. And then what you do is come here, click on Format. Go to Paragraph Styles, then click on Borders and Shading. Choose the positions you want the borders for. I'll do top, bottom, left, and right borders as well. And you can choose the width. I'll keep it 1 point. Border color, I'll leave it to black. You can go ahead and pick from any of these colors. Do your own custom colors as well. And background color, we'll leave it to be padding 2 points. Okay, click on Apply. Let's see the final product. There we go. We have now added a border to our document. It's really that easy and simple.